Welcome sa ating channel with a very unusual topic and yes, not so usual situation. Minors and gamers, GPU shortage, what's happening right now in the IT industry? I bring this topic on the table dahil marami pa rin ang hindi masyadong aware kung ano talaga ang nangyayari. Well, hindi ko rin naman sila masisisi dahil nga, syempre, hindi naman lahat sa atin is nakatutok talaga sa mga news and updates, international and both local. Pero just to add more information sa mga nalaman natin, well, here is another video to address the minors, the gamers, and what's happening as of now in the IT industry. This video is brought to you by SCDKey, the best website that you may visit in terms of very affordable deals and best offer para sa application softwares, games, and yes, operating system. And there you are, you may check the Windows 10 Pro and by using our promo code, ma-avail mo lang siya ng around $14.95 or 700 plus pesos. That's it mga kaibigan. Check the description below. May mga links po tayo dyan to go directly sa kanilang website. Okay, so let me start with a bit of history kung paano dumating sa ganitong punto na nagkakaroon ngayon ng hindi natin ginustong sitwasyon pagdating sa IT industry. Kaya nga minsan napakahirap na rin mag-bring up ng isang video na, uy, maglabas ako ng budget build guide. Pero nasan yung stocks? Now let's go back to the topic. In the past 10 years, nangyari na po ito 3 times. Ito po yung pangatlong beses. Unang-una, 2013 to 2014. 3 to 4 years after nung ma-introduce ang Bitcoin or ang blockchain sa ating IT industry. Naunang nagkaroon ng short demand, hindi ganun katagal. It was way back in the transition period ng AMD from AMD 7000 series video cards to R200 series like 280X. Yan po yung unang craze or mining craze. Price hike pero hindi masyadong naging noticeable sa ating industriya dahil napaka-eksi lang nung panahon and hindi rin lahat ng consumers is naging interesado dahil hindi rin siya ganun ka-hype back then. Then comes the second wave of mining craze noong 2017 to 2018 where talagang sobrang hype ang mining kaya sobrang daming computer stores din ang nagbebenta ng mga video cards dati, nagbibuild ng mga mining builds dahil umabot nga po ng from 100,000, roughly 100,000 up to 2 million ang value ng isang Bitcoin back then. So kung iisipin mo talaga ay sobrang napakalaki nung tinalon ng Bitcoin. Pero ang maganda naman noon is video cards lang yung apektado. While here comes the third wave where is 2020 to 2021. 3 to 4 years ulit. So in every 3 to 4 years, yun yung common denominator ng mga pangyayaring ito, is nagkakaroon ng ganitong senaryo. Hindi ko sure kung mangyayari ulit ito after 3 to 4 years, dahil as of now, ganun pa rin naman. Pero medyo hindi siya masyadong nagiging hype now, kasi nga mas malala po ngayon compared in the past to mining craze. Ano po ang nangyayari ngayon? Bago pa lang po nagkaroon ng mining craze, meron na pong shortage ng parts. Dahil nga sa pandemic. So to cut it short, the pandemic plus mining craze, naging times 2 yung demand and ayun, mas lalong nahirapan yung supply. Kaya nagkakaroon ng sobrang tinding shortage where we are now in a position na ang hirap mag-recommend ng kung anong parts ang bibilhin natin. Dahil pag magbibigay ka naman ng recommendations, wala naman silang mahahanap. Even the videos na gusto ko sanang i-create, parang ang hirap mo ipakita sa tao yon, tapos magigilty ka lang din kasi parang mong iniinggit lang yung mga viewers. Pero still, this is the video that I want to show to you guys dahil gusto ko rin i-explain na I will still be creating those video in the coming days or weeks. Pero hindi siya applicable as of now. And I don't really recommend buying components as of today. Dahil even retail stores, aminado sila na ang hirap mong bigyan ng magandang quotation yung customer. Minsan parang ayaw mo pang gawin yung quotation dahil kung titingnan mo yung kakalabasan, pilit lahat eh. Or hindi yun yung recommended na gusto mo. Like, you will be recommending a black video card with a white motherboard or a white video card with a black motherboard. So, minsan naging chop suey na yung build. Pero anong magagawa natin? Di ba? If you don't care about aesthetics, well, it's okay. Pero, how about if performance na yung apektado? Like for example, hindi ito yung magandang model ng video card, pero ito na lang yung meron na RTX 3060. Well, we don't have any choice kasi kailangan mo na yung unit. You need to have an RTX 3060 build with a Ryzen 5 5600X. Pero, ito lang meron. A single fan video card. Ngayon dito tayo mako-corner. I don't know the answer. I don't know who is who to blame pagdating sa ganitong mga situation. Dahil kung sisisihin mo man yung kumpanya, malay mo, may problema din talaga sa kanila pagdating sa raw materials. Pandemic. Natigil ang mga mining of minerals to be used sa mga silicon or conductors or whatsoever components in terms of electronics. Natigil lahat yung mga ganong processing. So, domino effect yan. Pag natigil ito, yung raw materials, walang masyadong production pagdating sa mga electronic components, automatically, pati yung mga final products is magkakaroon din ng delays. Magkakaroon din ng shortage. So, ang pinaka-the best answer that I may say as of now is, wait. Maghintay na lang tayo na mag-normalize ang ating situation in terms of economics and itong nangyaring pandemic. Pagdasal na lang natin yung mga kababayan natin and our loved ones na sana hindi maapektuhan, na sana maging ligtas lahat. Dahil whatever I may state in here, it is not a very good answer to address the issue na dapat sila yung sisihin, dapat sila yung sisihin. Kasi at the end of the day, at the back of our mind, alam na rin naman natin yung sagot. It's just that human nature natin na minsan gusto rin nating may marinig na ibang statement from other people para kahit paano mas maging komportable tayo na, oh, tama yung naiisip ko. Alright, so that's it mga kaibigan. Hopefully you appreciate this video. If you want to add more information or inputs, then feel free to comment down below. That's it guys, and feel free to subscribe.